Hi, we're Big Y's dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. September is National Family Meals Month. Did you know families who eat together have healthier eating habits?
Here are 2 easy rice cauliflower recipes your whole family will enjoy.
Cauliflower pizza crust. Microwave and drain rice cauliflower. Stir in egg and cheeses. Press cauliflower mixture on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the crust until edges are brown and the crust is crisp. Add toppings, bake some more, and enjoy.
Skillet chicken and rice cauliflower. Cook chicken and set aside. Cook onion, rice cauliflower, and garlic. Stir in broth and bring to a boil. Add chicken and simmer until vegetables are tender. Stir in cheese, lemon juice, and oregano. Plate and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.